You know that food you're supposed to eat because it's healthy, but it just tastes, well, healthy? That's how I feel about quinoa. No matter how many times I try to pretend it's just rice or barley, it doesn't taste good to me. But I do know one way to prepare quinoa that is not just tolerable, it's actually pretty great. Here's how I make it. Today I'm going to turn this cooked quinoa into crispy quinoa. It's crispy, almost like panko breadcrumbs, plus it has a popcorn-like flavor. There are two methods for making crispy quinoa. First, you can bake the quinoa in the oven on a parchment-lined baking sheet for about 20 minutes. If you want to bake the quinoa, be sure to give it a stir once in a while to avoid burning. While it's still hot, sprinkle with salt or any seasoning you'd like. Or, my favorite way to do it, you can pan-fry cooked quinoa in just a bit of oil until it's golden brown. This is the kind of recipe that's all about the technique. You want to keep it moving until it's golden brown and starts to pop. Eat this as a snack, serve on a salad, or you can even put it on your morning oatmeal. And best of all, this will keep well in the refrigerator for about 1 week. And there you go. That's how I turn a healthy, slightly lackluster ingredient into something special.